Ready. Biz, are you ready? Biz, are you ready? Geodude, Biz, it's coming up. Biz, it's coming up. And you got the muck. You got a muck. Oh! There's nothing better suiting than to give you a fat slop hollow. Biz! Everybody! Biz! Another 5 gifted, stop it! Biz, easy money, Biz! This thing is butter! Biz! We're on Steel Dick right now, boys. Hometown hero on this channel. Let's see what we get here. Him and DX are some of the hometown heroes. Recycle. Come on, Steel Dick, you ready? Let's get it, Marty. Let's get it, baby. Oh, we slapped another Ditto Hollow! We'll take it, Marty! Like losing my... I've
fallen, and I can't get up!
Marty... Oh! My fucking God! No, dude! Look at the bread and butter on this one, boys! Look at the bread and butter! Tentacool. Oh! Slap the Hypno Hollow!
No! Oh my God! Let's go!
Bro, this is what is the 15-pack air box? Boys! Please, someone give me these last 2 clips. We got a horsey. You guys ready? What's Ken getting? Ken, please don't eat shit. Ken, please don't eat shit. Oh! Little Hitmonlee for Ken! Ken! Yo, Ken would get a Hitmonlee hollow, dude. So what is that? It's 3 hollow giveaways in there, okay? So we're gonna do the people that ate shit giveaways. And then we are going to do a marbles game for the boys for a couple good juicy giveaways after, okay? All right, let's get it. Come on, DX, we're going in now. Dude, oh, I forgot the card shuffle, but you got the fucking Lapras! Damn! Thank you for the follow. Let's get it, baby. It's your turn.
I buried those cockroaches.
We got a Cloyster, Magmar, Ghastly, Trainer Cycle, Shelder, Zubat, Kabuto, Tentacool, Horsey, Mysterious Fossil. Oh! Yo, Trevor! Trevor! Damn, guys got Pokemons following him. I wish. Recycle. Only thing about this set is the commons are a little, you know, it's not a huge set, so we see a lot of the same stuff, you know. But I can't believe how good these cuts are. This box is fucking beautiful, man. Oh! Fuck me, dude! Let's go!
How many inches can I take?
All right, we have a Slowbro. Let's get it, boys. Graveler, Gambler, Ekans, Mysterious Fossil, Grimer. Oh! Cyrus! 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 Kingler. Ekans. Grimer. Shelder. Looks like the break is going well in Discord 100%. Come on, Cinna baby. Krabby, you got DX backing you right now. Geo, dude. Trainer. Oh! Get it set up! Let's fucking go, baby!
Yo! Oh my god! Let's go!
Andrew didn't even know what to do.
Easy! Yo! Wow!